Check me out. Yo, Sick Nation, they put me on the map. I'm feeling like I'm on acid without popping a tap. You sleeping on me? Well, enjoy that nap. You wake up to a nightmare of me in the lap. I outshine the rest. You're not the best. Your fans, they just haven't found me yet. I'll make you run like I made a bomb threat. When I rap on the track, I'm a spaz like tech. I'm working on an album, it'll be here soon. Everybody in the game is about to be doomed. Like a permanent trip on shrooms. Bitch, I'm locked in a room. Johnny versus to a tune. I'm amused with you. Do you not see what I do? I'm a one-man army. I shit on your whole crew. Broken Wings was the hit. I'm just trying to make two. Bitch, I'm destined to win and you destined to lose. I'm a good guy, but I got bad manners. Your girl's fruity, let her suck on my banana. But no sex, cause I got high standards. Your girl wish she got nailed with this hammer. Real rapper, gotta bump Tech 9, so you know that I could chop if you're out of line. I gave you a shot, but you are out of time. I'm on the rise like LeBron's hairline. Whew. I did it, I said it, I never regret it. I spread love, but I get hate in my direction. I'm flexing, my words are a weapon. I reckon you lames get the stepping. I'm blessed with a fan base that I could connect with. Sick Nation, we spread like a viral infection. I'm ill with the skill I'm possessed with. You're hella awkward, like Caitlyn Jenner's erection. I kick it like Hong Kong. You could get smoked, kush in a long bong. Running this rap shit, I am long gone. No subway, but your girl want the foot long. You cheerleader rappers need a pom-pom. Me and fake people, we do not get along. I can't collab cause I kill you on a song. If you thinking that you're right, you were so dead wrong. So you subliminal rappers that diss me as hell. Whenever you diss me, you dissing yourself. You call me out on things you're doing yourself.